Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a real account with Deriv. Alright, Deriv is the broker I'm using. Alright, if you want to trade boom and crash, if you want to trade synthetic indices, the proper and recommended broker you should use is Deriv. Alright, if you check my video description, you're going to see where it states that you should use a reliable synthetic index broker with $5 minimum deposit. Alright, so you see this link here. Alright, you can see the link here. You are going to either click on this link, alright, which will take you directly to their website, or you copy it from here, paste it on your browser, and then click on it. Alright, but you must use this link in order for you to go straight to their website. Alright, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you directly to their website. Alright, so you can see home.deriv.com here, right? So once you are in the website, alright, you are going to see where they said country of residence, right? So here you are going to choose your country. Alright, so I'm in Nigeria. I'll search for Nigeria here. Alright, so then the next thing is to put in your email, the email you want to use in signing up with them. Alright, so you click on the email, and then you type your email, right? So after typing the email, you click on sign up here. Alright, you click on sign up, then you'll be taken to the next page. Now you are trying to create a real account, right? So once you click on the sign up, it's going to take you to this page, right? You are going to click on real, right? So because you want to create a real account. Now here's what you have to do. You are going to choose the currency you want your money to be in. All right, so you can see US dollar here, USD, Bitcoin, Euro, right? You can see pound sterling, you can see Ethereum, Litecoin, anyone. All right, but I'm going to be choosing USD, all right, because I want my money to be in dollars, right? So I click on this one, and then it's going to take me to this page. All right, this is the next interface. All right, so now this is what you have to do. First, you are going to see something like first and middle name, right? So you can see your name and your middle name, right? So you enter your first name and then your middle name also. All right, so I'm going to type in my first name now. Then after that, the next thing here is your last name. All right, so I'm going to type in my last name now. Then after that, you are going to see where they say enter your name exactly as it appears on your identity card, right? On your documents, right? Now, when you are signing up, right, when you are trying to fill this thing, it's better you have your ID card with you so that you will not have problem when you are trying to do verification later. All right, so you need to have your ID card with you in order to confirm it very well, right? So once you are done, you click on next. It's going to take you to the next page, the next interface. All right, so here now you have to put your date of birth, right? Put your date of birth. So after putting your date of birth, you click on next. Now you are going to put your phone number, your active phone number, right? So I'm going to put my phone number now. So after that, you click on done. Now you can see where they say select your account purpose, right? Now you have two options where they say additional revenue or savings. All right, do you want to use the account to generate revenue, or you want to use it to save? All right, so I want to use mine for revenue, so I'm going to click on this option here. All right, so now you can see this is the next interface. They say employment details. All right, select your employment status, right? You can see employed full-time, employed part-time, pensioner, self-employed, unemployed. All right, I'm going to put self-employed. Now you can see this is the next interface here, and you can see employment details. All right, now you can see country of tax residence, optional. All right, then you can see tax identification number, optional. All right, so if you don't have a tax number, you can leave this place, and if you have, you can put it in this place. All right, so that's it. You click on next. Now you can see address details. All right, so you are going to fill in your address in this place. You can see enter your address, town or city, your state, and the rest. All right, so now I'm going to be filling in my address here. So after filling in these details, you click on next. Now the next interface, you are going to see terms of use. All right, jurisdiction and choice of law, blah 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 blah. Right, so you make sure you read everything. All right, I've reading through everything before. All right, this is not my first time creating account with them, so you need to make sure you read everything before you do anything next. Okay, you need to confirm that you are not a politician, so you click on this, and also you are going to agree to the terms and conditions, so you click on this. All right, so after that you click on create account. Now finally, once you have clicked on create account, you are going to be taken to this interface. You can see you have a USD wallet. All right, make a deposit to trade with real funds. Right, so your accounts have automatically been created. All right, so you can see deposit now or later. Right, so I'm going to click on later. So you can see I have a wallet now. Right, so you can see my balance is 0.00 because I have not yet deposited anything. All right, so once you have created your account like this, you can decide to deposit, and then you start trading with them. All right, so once you have this interface, it means that your account has been created. Right, now let me show you one more thing before we go. All right, so if you want to deposit money later, all right, when you have money and you want to deposit it, I'm going to recommend my own way of depositing that is simple for me. All right, in case of those of you who are new to the game, all right, my own way is that you click on this wallet here. Once you click on the wallet, it's going to show you this interface here. All right, now you are going to see more wallets. All right, so you can see USD, you can see Litecoin, you can see BTC, you can see USDC wallet, you can see USD EUSDT wallet. All right, it's so many. All right, so it's either you use this to make your deposit, or you use any of those coins you can see here. All right, so as for me, I'm using the Litecoin, this one here, for deposits. All right, so this is the one I'm using. All right, so what I do is that I go into my Bybit. All right, convert the coin I want to deposit the amount, I convert it into Litecoin, and then so once you convert it, you come to this place again, you click on deposit here. All right, so once you click on deposit, you see their address here, you see the wallet address here, so you copy it, you go back to your Bybit wallet, right, and you paste it there, you make the deposit. All right, so if you are someone that is using Bybit before, you know how to do those things. All right, so this is the method. Or if you don't want to use the Litecoin, there is still option for USDT there, right? So you can see you can use this one or you can use this one, right? So depositing using crypto is much more simpler and much more safer. All right, it's more safer than using an agent. All right, I don't recommend you use this agent because you can be scammed here, right? But if you're using this, you know that you are dealing with yourself and you'll be more safe. All right, so you can deposit and you can withdraw using your Bybit. All right, so that's what I said I should quickly share with you guys. All right, so once you have created your Deriv account like this, you can deposit money, connect it to your MT5. I'm going to make another video where I show you how to connect your Deriv account with your MT5. All right, so that's how you create your Deriv account. All right, so that's it. So I'm going to show you guys an example of how to connect your Deriv account to your MT5. All right, so but in this video I'll be using this demo account here. All right, so you can see I've switched it up to the demo account. All right, so if you click on this place, it's going to switch back to the real account. All right, but for those of you who might want to practice, all right, you can just click on the demo, all right, where you use the artificial font to practice. All right, so you click on this area. All right, you are going to click on the standard MT5 format here. All right, you click on the standard one. Right, it's going to ask you to set up a password where the password in which you are going to use for all your MT5 logins. All right, so once you click on that password, it's going to take you to this interface here. All right, now this is the login details you are going to use to to connect your MT5, all right, to your Deriv account. All right, so these are the login details. All right, so once you have this login details, you are going to move to your MT5 account. All right, let's say for example you have an MT5 account like this. You click on it. All right, so once you click on your MT5, you are going to click on settings. All right, to take you to setting, you click on new account. All right, now this is where you are to add new account. So you search for the broker you want to use. You search for Deriv. All right, so once you are searching for the Deriv, you are going to check the same details. All right, it must be the same as this one. You can even copy this one. You copy it and then you paste it here. Paste it here. Now you see it has bring it out for you. Click on it. Right, so you copy the same details. You can see Deriv. The server is Deriv demo. All right, when you are connecting your real account, you can do the same thing. It's the same process, right? It's the same exactly the same process, no differences. All right, so you click on Deriv demo. You can see the server is already there, Deriv demo. Then the logins is going to be this. You can see the login ID. You copy this one and then you paste it here also. Now the next thing is the password, right? Is the password. So that password you created earlier is the one you are going to write here. All right, so you type in your password. And then you click on sign in. So once you have clicked on sign in, it's going to be logged in immediately. And then you can see these are your instruments. All right, you can add instruments. You can add it by clicking on the search button. All right, these things are different if you are using a different kind of phone. All right, so take note of that. The interface might be different on your own phone. All right, so I'm using an iPhone, so that's why it's like this. It might be different on your own phone. All right, so make sure you take note of that. All right, so you click on this. You can add boom and crash here. You can see different boom and crash. All right, so you can see the crash 600, crash 900. All right, you can see crash 1000, boom 1000. So you click on the add to be added. You click on the add button here to be added. You see, I'm going to click on this one now to be added. I click on this one, it will be added. These are the ones I like to trade. So once you go back, you click on this area here to take you to your quote, or you click on cancel here, take you back to your quote. So you can see our boom 1000 has been added, crash 1000 has been added, boom 500 has been added, right? So if you want to be trading them, you go into it, click on your chart, then you have something like this. All right, so this is how you connect your Deriv to your MT5 account. All right, I hope this video offers some help to you. All right, I hope you are getting some value from this video. All right, so if you know you are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an educational video like this, you get notified. Of this video, you are going to see my Telegram channel there. All right, if you want to be getting free signals on daily basis, all right, you need to join the family. Okay, if you're watching from TikTok, the link to my Telegram is on my bio. Okay, if in case you click on it and it refuses to go through, copy the link, paste it on your browser and click on it. It's going to go through from there. Okay, So make sure you join the Telegram channel because you don't want to miss out. All right. So that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.